Welcome to a new episode on how to make conventional agriculture more sustainable. I'm Ank van der Meulen, your host on today's video. Today we're putting the spotlight on growers and their challenges. That's why I'm taking you to Beyond Chrysant in Hoek van Holland, in the heart of Dutch horticulture. Being a grower nowadays is not an easy job. They face many challenges. Today we will find out what tools they have to help them in their transition to more sustainability. Thanks for having us here today, Wouter. Could you please give us a brief presentation on Beyond Chrysant?
Of course. Welcome to our company. This is a family business. This company is run by me and my brother. We grow year-round chrysants and we focus only on wide spray chrysanthemums throughout the year, and we try to focus on the highest possible level in the market. The major problems were energy transition. We are not allowed to use too much energy as costs are extremely high at the moment. So we need to go to a situation where we actually are using less energy, and actually in future it will be a situation, in my opinion, where we can be like neutral to the world. For us as a Beyond Chrysant, it's also really important to work together with our partners, and by joining forces with partners like Van Iperen, we are able to implement the newest technologies.
Could you shed a light on how your partnership with Iperen International helps you with your challenges?
That's quite easy, as we work really close with the people involved in Van Iperen. Just the daily things is like reduce the use of chemicals, implement the way we work with the biological system, as it's changing rapidly over years. And what future goals can we set and how can we still improve? One of our latest products what we use is Green Switch. Mm-hmm. It's like the product waste of farms, a stable composition of nutrients which we can implement in our greenhouse. And it's actually one of the things making our impact on the earth smaller, as we just don't have to mine it or take it from the soil. We just reuse again. It was already there.
How come Beyond Chrysant is way ahead with implementing all these new solutions for sustainability?
Every 3 months we want to do something sustainable, or we want to change our practice in a different way to make sure we will be on the next level. And it can be all sorts of things. We made some changes, for example, with electric trucks. So we don't use the diesel anymore. We changed the way how we pack, how we sell the product to our customers to make sure it needs less transport.
What other ways of dealing with waste do you have in your company?
As resources get scarce, it will be profitable to near future to reuse all what you get. For example, we upcycle our waste to new products like paper, like building construction material. We just did some tests. We're not doing this commercially, but we just want to see if it's working. Same like, for example, the Green Switch Original. It's like this kind of product is just the upcycling of the poo of the animals. And I think it's a good way to reduce waste and to make something out of it, because we don't need to take all of this material all over the world and buy it and then throw it away. No, we have enough of it here. So we reuse it. It will lower our impact on the world.
So Wouter, can you tell me a bit about the plans for the future for Beyond Chrysant?
What I truly believe is that we have a common interest. All horticulture worldwide, we have the common interest to take the public in our story, to explore and make some understanding. And that's what we actually want to do with the Beyond experience. Actually, one of the partners is Iperen International. We just have to inform, open up doors, show the people who buy our flowers that we changed, that we do things differently, that we're not already there, but we are what will be our future goal and how we are going to be there.
Well, you've certainly opened up your doors to us today, and I'd like to thank you for that.
I think that we do the high five.
Okay. If we take Beyond Chrysant's example, it shows how partnerships can unlock challenges of other growers. We all have a common goal, how to make conventional agriculture more sustainable. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.